Hey guys, Breezy CPA here, your certified AI public accountant. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit the like button. Do it now. You know you're going to like the video. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe. If you're interested in learning more about accounting, taxes, or becoming a CPA, make sure to visit us at breezycpa.com to check out our library of courses. For a limited time, use promo code BREEZY20 to get 20% off your order. Link in the description box below. Now on to our video. So taking a look at the filing status section of the 1040, this is one of the most important sections of the 1040 because this choice impacts the tax rate, the deduction limits, the credit eligibility, and income thresholds of the taxpayer. So a taxpayer's filing status can potentially change each year due to shifts in personal situations. You get married, you get divorced, things like that. If a taxpayer qualifies for more than one status, they should choose the one that minimizes their tax burden. So taking a look at the filing status options that we have available, we have married filing jointly. For this, you need to be legally married as of the last day of the year, 12/31, December 31st, or widowed during the year and not remarried. So for that, you would qualify as married filing jointly. Married filing separately, so you're legally married, but you're choosing to file separately. So each spouse files their own individual return. We have head of household, where you're unmarried or considered unmarried, and you pay over half the cost of maintaining the household for a dependent who lived with you for over half of the year. Then you would be head of household. We have qualifying surviving spouse, which uses the married filing jointly tax rates for 2 years following a spouse's death, but must pay over half of the household costs and have a dependent child living in the home with them for the whole year. And lastly, we have single, where you're unmarried and you are not eligible for any other filing status. All right, guys, let's take a look at some scenarios here with our filing status flowchart. So were you unmarried as of the last day of the tax year? Let's say no, so that means you were married. Did both spouses choose to file jointly? Yes, then you're married filing jointly, and you would click right here, married filing jointly. So following again down this line, were you unmarried as of the last day of the tax year? No. Did both spouses choose to file jointly? Let's say no. Then did you live with the spouse at any time during the last 6 months of the year? If you did and you say yes, then you would be married filing separately. Let's go down this other side. So were you unmarried as of the last day of the tax year, 12/31, December 31st? Yes, you were unmarried. Were you widowed during either the 2 prior tax years and not remarried? Let's say no. So for the tax year, did you have a dependent child and pay greater than 50% of the home upkeep? If yes, then you would be head of household. If no, then you would be single. So this is a flowchart to help you better understand the different types of filing status that you can select on the 1040. That is it for filing status. I will see you guys in the next lesson. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. If you're interested in learning more about accounting, taxes, or becoming a CPA, visit us at breezycpa.com for courses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.